Hi, my name is Devon Kathari. I'm the product manager for vReplicator. Welcome to the vReplicator demonstration. We're going to start off today by talking about how you can configure the default vReplicator options. You can do this by selecting options from the menu bar in vReplicator. You start off by configuring the email options that allow you to receive email notifications for various events including successful and failed replications. You can also configure how the VC tree is viewed within your vReplicator application. You can configure alerts on various events, including notifications for low storage. And you can configure your job options, including how the target VM should be named, as well as default options for replication types and job frequencies. You can also configure the number of simultaneous replications at various levels to ensure that vReplicator runs in an optimized manner in your environment. We'll now demonstrate how to add a virtual center to vReplicator. Clicking Configure Virtual Centers from the menu bar allows you to add a new virtual center. You simply click Add New VC, put in the IP address or the VC name, as well as your credentials for the virtual center within the dialog box. Clicking Connect will add the virtual center to vReplicator, and connecting to it will add all the hosts and the containers of that virtual center to the vReplicator application. We'll now demonstrate how to create a replication job. To create a new replication job, simply select the source virtual machine that you wish to replicate and click on Add Job. You can now configure the job options, provide a name and a description for the job, select your replication type, either differential or hybrid, and deploy other options such as CBT, which is support for change block tracking, which is only available with ESX4 hosts, or you could deploy ABM, which eliminates the need to replicate deleted data. For further information on replication types such as differential and hybrid, or on CBT or ABM, please refer to the vReplicator user guide. You can also set your schedule options through the screen. You can determine whether to use a fixed or a sliding schedule, set the interval frequency for how often you wish to replicate, and set the time and the date for the next replication job. You can now determine who would get notified in case of alerts such as successful or failed replications. You can name your target virtual machine and also select your target host, and configure your network options. And finally, configure your data store options. You have now created a new replication job. We will now demonstrate how to run a replication job. To run a replication job, simply select the source virtual machine and click on Run. This will run the job immediately as opposed to the scheduled time for the job. And vReplicator will go through the process of replicating your source VM to the target virtual machine. A replication has completed successfully and the target virtual machine has been created. We'll now demonstrate failover testing a virtual machine. To initiate test failover, first you must disable the current replication job. And clicking on Test Failover will initiate the test failover process. Once the target virtual machine has been powered on, the application will wait for user feedback as an indication that the user has finished testing the target virtual machine. If we now go to our VI client, we can see that the target virtual machine has been powered on. This is the step in the process where you would conduct any type of testing on that target virtual machine. Once you have finished, you can click on the Resume button, and any changes made to that target virtual machine will be discarded, and the target virtual machine will be restored back to its original condition. Once you have finished test failover, you can re-enable the replication job to continue to replicate any changes made to your source virtual machine. Thank you for your interest in vReplicator. For further information on vReplicator or any of our other products, please contact sales@visioncore.com.